This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 108 of Building Optimus Prime. We're continuing the arm on this, but looking at B, changing the guard. New director, Travis Knight for Bumblebee. I quite enjoyed Bumblebee. I'll have to watch it again at some point. Universal Protector, Optimus again. Crosshairs. Sounds familiar, but not really certain. The Decepticons, again, of the Cyberverse. Megatron. It never went back to being just a gun like I remember him. It was a tank and a plain fiery thing, but yeah, it's okay. I don't know what the quintessence are. Not sure. Megatron X, Astro Train. No memories of those. So there's right arm. I remember the wiry bits from last time. So we're going to put some bits on the arm that we started with a hand on it, and then join the elbow bit that we've been doing before. And then we've got decorative parts to put onto it to make it look, muscly. Cool. Yeah, that's not too bad. It shouldn't be too difficult either. Getting these the right way around is the tricky bit, but we'll get there. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get on with the build. So all the parts that we've got now and the parts from before. We're going to start with before. We've got to put these decorative pieces onto the corner there. That one goes on that side, and that one, as you might have guessed, goes on the other side. They do the job. They go in there. Right, then we're going to need our washers, which we will be putting in on there. That one on that side. No, turn it over the right way around. With the bit sticking out. That one goes on there. That one goes on the other side. But before I can put that one on the other side, I'm going to need to get prepped. So we've got one of each washer spare again. We're going to put the split one on first, then the solid one, and get ready with that. I haven't got the tool for that yet. Again, there we go. I've got that from last time. I haven't put it away fully. Not the one that came with this kit, but one that does the job. So let's see what we're going to do now. We're going to need this, and that's going to go in there like so, with that in there and with that on the other side. And when that's in there, we have to put the bolt through. Bolt goes through from this side. The nut stays in that side by the looks of it. Let's get that in there, ready to go. We'll get this on there, that one on the other side, and then try and get all of that joined up together in there. I think I had trouble with this last time on the other side. It's just very tight. But that seems to have gone in there all right. Then that can go through. Take that back off again for now because it's in the way. That will go in there. That should get through there. That should then be tightening up into that nut, which it feels and looks like it is. Good. So we'll get that tightened up. So now we've got our elbow joint. Make that nice and tight. That's going to go back on there again. All the way on. That's a bit of fit. That's that. Good. Sorted. Then we need 108G, which is this bit, and the pin. There we go. Right. So this is going to be the tricky bit, trying to figure out where that's going to go from the pictures. The end of that has got to go into there. Where are we? We've got that way round. That's where the pin's going to go through, and that's going to go up there. Let's go in and sort of under. There we go. That goes under there. Then that drops through there, and the pin will just go through there. Oh, sort of through there. Let's get a pair of pliers to get that in there. That the right way, so I'm holding the knurled bit. That should go into there. Yeah. So far, so good. It's lined up, and that should be going in and coming out the other side. So yeah, there we go. That's that, holding that in there. Nice. Then we've got this big bit that goes onto there. Now again, if I can see which way round he's gonna have got that holding, where that ends up going. They don't really give you enough. The arm back plate on the back of the arm with the two pins in hexagonal holes. Got two pins quite close to each other. Up there, isn't it? Going onto there. Like that. That'll do it. There we go. That's that. Next up, we've got our two red bits with the AP screws. You were going to use screws at some point. Get two screws out from there. None of them left. Not need that. Need a screwdriver though. So you've got to get these the right way round. So again, let's get that. So we're looking at what we're doing that way. We've got the curly one and the very curly one. That one is going on that side. On there, like that. It's a screw going through there. That's that. And the same with the other side, the other screw. That going on there like that. Nice and easy. Good. That tightened up as well. Nice. Then we've got these bits to put on. That one, again, we're going to go that way. That one goes on that side, up there. Two holes. Yep. And that one on the other side by the looks of it. Again, two holes. That lined up. That's got to be that way round, yep. There we go, that's that. Then we have the bit that I remember being fun from last time. We've got these three cables to do. So there's a sort of single, a double, and a triple. It's got the triple going in first. You've got to get it the right way up. It's got a long hole and a round hole. So you've got a long hole there. No. No, this is going much higher than that. No, it's not. It is going there, I think. Looks like there, I think. Although I could easily be wrong with that. I think I'm wrong with that. Right, let me get a closer look at where these three go in place. And then that needs to go on finally. On there, like that. Like that, but not yet. not until I've got this lined up and sorted out. So let me get these on, then we'll see where that's going to attach. I'll see you in just a sec. Yeah, there we go. That's one on that side, two on that side, all attached and working. And the elbow bends, and that bit just pops on there, covering over where a couple of those attach, which is fine. I like it. It's coming together nicely again. So, yeah, it definitely looks like an arm now. And that's that. So far, so good. Couple more issues to go in this pack, so I'll see you for the next one very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.